In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your fixed assets effectively in Zoho Books. Managing fixed assets is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and helps you keep track of your business investments over time. Let's dive in and get started with adding a new fixed asset. First, navigate to the Accountant section in your Zoho Books dashboard and select Fixed Assets. Here, you will see an option to add a new asset by clicking on the plus New Fixed Asset button. As you proceed to fill in the details, remember to be as accurate as possible. Start with entering the asset's name. This would typically be something descriptive, like company car, which helps in easily identifying it later. Next, you'll need to input the purchase date. This is simply the date when you bought or acquired the asset. Following the date, enter the purchase price, which is the original cost of the asset. These details will lay the foundation for accurate tracking and depreciation of your asset over time. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, click Save as Draft. Now that you've saved your asset as a draft, it's time to activate it. To do this, go back to the Accountant section and find the Draft Asset tab within the Fixed Assets module. Here, you'll see a list of your draft assets, including the one you just created. Select your new asset, and at the top of the page, click on Mark as Active. This step is crucial because it initiates the automatic tracking of the asset's depreciation within Zoho Books. Once you confirm your choice, Zoho Books will handle the depreciation calculations for you, making sure your accounts are always up to date. Moving on to managing asset disposal, there comes a time when you might no longer use some of your assets. You have the option to either sell them or write them off. If you decide to sell an asset, the process begins by creating an invoice for the sale. After you have your invoice ready, go back to Accountant, then Fixed Assets. Find the asset you are selling and click on More, followed by Sell. Here you can link the asset to the invoice you just created. This ensures that your records reflect the sale accurately, both in terms of asset disposal and revenue recognition. On the other hand, if an asset has no value and can no longer be used, you'll write it off. Within the Fixed Assets section, locate the asset you want to write off. Click More, then Write Off to input the details. Writing off an asset helps in reflecting its unusable status in your financial records, ensuring they remain accurate and compliant. And there you have it. With these steps, you can proficiently manage your fixed assets using Zoho Books, ensuring your financials are reliable and up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy asset managing.